Gale-Shapley algorithm is our next goal. So we will explain what the algorithm is and prove its correctness, and then we will explain why it's in a sense bad. It's very bad actually. So let's first explain the algorithm before going to all other things. So the algorithm is like this. At each stage we have a partial matching. So we start with an empty matching, there is no pairs, and then some pairs appears, and sometimes pairs are changed, so people in a pair can form a new pair. So how it happens? Actually, it's somehow each step is initiated by some man without a partner, and this man makes a proposal to some woman which may have a partner or which may have no partner. So a proposal is made on each step, and this proposal is accepted or rejected. So if the order is if the proposal is accepted, then the new pair is created, and maybe if the woman has some partner before, this partner is abandoned and the old pair is destroyed and new pair is created. So at each step we either get a new pair or change the existing pair to a new pair. Of course, we should explain how there are two things to explain. Yeah, here the acceptance may destroy an existing pair. That's what I already said. The hope is that at some point everybody is married and we get a stable matching as we wanted. But the question is how the participants make their decision. So whom, if we find a man without a partner on a given step makes a proposal, to whom? And the second stage, if some proposal is made, how the woman should decide whether to accept or reject this proposal. This is two questions which are not covered in this general scheme. We will treat them now. Let me say one more thing, that algorithm is non-deterministic in a sense. So we do not specify in which order men make their proposals. So there can be several men without a partner. So we take one of them and he does whatever he should do according to the rules. But there is a choice at this stage. So any choice is okay for the algorithm. It's kind of non-deterministic algorithm. We will discuss later. Somehow it doesn't influence the result, but we will wait a bit. So first, the rules for men. They have the ordering. Each of them has some ordering, who is the best candidate, the next candidate, so on. And what they do, each of them just makes proposals according to the ordering, just ignoring the existing pairs, just ignoring everything. Just he tries first the best candidate, then the next candidate, and so on. And if the proposal is accepted, then man is happy for a while. He never leaves the current partner by his own will. But the current partner may leave him, and then he makes a new proposal. He becomes rejected by current partner, and then he never repeats a rejected proposal. So the proposal can be rejected in two ways. It can be rejected immediately when it is made, or later the woman first accepts and then choose somebody else. So this is also a rejection, but another type of rejection. And anyway, men never repeat to the proposals which were rejected. If they want to implement this algorithm, actually we know this is not men, but some abstract entities in our program. So they should remember in their memory two things: the position in the list, so who had already rejected them, and also, of course, they should remember who is the current partner, if it exists, or if the current partner doesn't exist. Also, they should remember this fact. This is behavior of this men, program entities. Now, next thing is how the woman should behave. And they have a different set of rules. they accept a proposal in two cases. First, if there is no partner. If they have no current partner, they agree to everything. They always accept. Or they accept if this proposal creates an improvement compared to the current partner. So if somebody who is more preferable than the current partner makes a proposal, they forget the old partner and change the pair. So this is another action they take. And if none of them happens, which means none of these cases happens, which means that the current partner is better in their list than the new candidate, then of course they reject the proposal. Very, very natural and easy algorithm. And to implement this in a program, the only thing a process should remember is just the current partner. So they compare this current partner with a new candidate and decide who is better and who is worse. And note that for women, things are getting better with time. So for men, they try candidates which are worse. They start from the best candidate and go down. So if some candidate accepted him, then this candidate is better than all the subsequent candidates, because this is just the ordering of proposals. And for women, the situation is different, opposite somehow. So the women get in some pair, and then this pair can only improve. This pair will be broken only if a better candidate is immediately available. So things are getting better with time for women.